Scott, Trump's team wants this done in an expedited fashion. Of course they do. Wants no other rulings until then. The judge gave the special counsel until Thursday to respond. How much does this whole motion slow down the case?
It's not going to slow it down at all. You're going to look for a quick decision by Judge Chutkan. And the great irony of these papers being filed, I'm sorry for smiling or laughing, is because the Trump has attacked this judge repeatedly for her comments and for her being zany and crazy and so forth and so on. And now he wants her removed simply because she stated facts that came out of those two trials and facts that we know that were certified in the record. And that is that the person that they were acting upon on January 6th was Donald Trump. I don't think Donald Trump's concerned about the impartiality of this judge. He's concerned about her sentencing when he gets convicted, and that's what this motion is about. He's not going to win it, and it's not going to hold the case up at all.
Scott, the Times reported on the Mar-a-Lago IT worker who's now cooperating with the feds, Yuscil Taveres, specifically that Taveres said he was unwilling to potentially go to prison by deleting surveillance footage. But it also notes he was initially not fully forthcoming with prosecutors. Could that hurt him in some way?
On cross-examination purposes, it could hurt him because the government's going to have to clean that up on his prior grand jury testimony. But he's got a new lawyer now, and he's found Jesus, as we say, and he's telling the truth. He was just less forthcoming, if you will. But I don't think that's going to hurt the case. I think the prosecutors are going to put him on. And the key to Taveres is he puts Donald Trump in the obstruction space after they get the subpoena, that he engaged and conspired to obstruct by directing these two individuals to go to Taveres, the head of IT, and tell him to get rid of it, get rid of that footage and stuff. And that's damaging testimony because it may be hearsay, it may be double hearsay, but there's at least one witness that's going to say that Naughton told him, the boss told him to do that, and that Naughton is so close to Trump and Taveres works for Trump that it's going to be a real problem. The defense is going to have to figure that out and fix it. The other thing is that Taveres is still working at Mar-a-Lago. They can't get rid of him now because they don't want him to sue them for getting rid of him because he participated. And so they're going to take a hands-off approach with him.